In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an expense claim in Dext. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your Dext account, and then you want to go to the Cost tab over here in the top left. Now, from here, of course, you want to add some documents, some receipts or something like that. So you want to click on Add Documents and then go to Costs, and then select your receipts over here to upload them. As you can see here, I have one in here. It's just one sample receipt. I basically uploaded over here. So what you then want to do is check the check boxes next to the receipts you want to claim. So I'm just going to click on, for example, this one over here, and I'm going to click on Add to Expense Claim. Now, as you can see here, it's going to basically give you an option to select for who you're doing this claim. I'm going to do for myself, and then the end date as well, which is going to be tomorrow in my case, and then you can give it a claim name. So I'm just going to name this one Sample Claim, and you want to click on Add. Now, whenever you do this, as you can see, if I go to Expense Claims over here, this is now the expense claim, and I can just go ahead and click on it, and over here, basically, I can see everything regarding that, okay? Then up top, I have the option to submit it for approval, to archive it, to export it, or delete it, okay? So that's essentially how to create an expense claim. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.